Hello friends, this is the key of the Audi A6, Audi A6 2015 model, the avant. So today I will show you how to change the battery, how to replace the battery. As you can see that battery, there the key. You just need to click here and pull it out. Okay, once you pull it out, and then there's also one more button inside. As you can see here, this button and this button, this one and this one, you need to press together. If you press together hardly, and then you can pull out easily. You see, there's the battery. And now, as you can see, now I will change the battery. Okay, so this is the CR2032 3 volt. Just put battery here. And then see the hole. Click back. Like this. Just need to put it in like this. That's it. Put back the key. Close it. That's it. Thank you for watching.